I'm going to remove the inner casing out. We're going to install the heat adapter, heat shield and heat adapter. We're going to put it together. We're going to install it in the lantern. So remove the glass. We've got to remove the glass. What we're going to want to do is remove the heat shield that's in the lantern right now. What we do is lift it in an angle, push down on the forks, pull up in an angle, and it pops right out. Okay, we'll take it out of the bag it received it in. We're going to put it together. Just have 2 screws, 2 nuts. Those apart. Alright, you'll have 2 punched out holes in the heat shield. We'll line them up with the heat adapter. We may have to bend them a little bit. These are bendable. The legs are bendable. All I'll do is take and line one up, slide it in. I'll turn it over. Put the nut on the bottom, tighten them up. You can use a screwdriver and tighten it up a little bit more if you want to. A little crescent wrench. Snug them down, they don't have to be super tight. Okay, we're going to put this in. What we do is we stick it in head first, bring it around here. We'll slide it up over here, bring it back down. We'll turn it around. The forks up here will have to be pushed down, a little fork tongue, like that, then we're in position.